Hello, my crafty and clever friends. Today we are going to add fabric cherry blossoms to these little twigs, which I'm going to add to a wreath, but you could make an arrangement or line your mantle, all kinds of fun things. So in our last video, we made these fabric cherry blossoms, and next we're just gonna go and affix them to this twig that I found at the park. I collected a bundle of twigs on a walk the other day, and I just love the price tag, free. What I've found is that it's easier to glue the blossom and then place onto the twig versus gluing the twig because you can get a lot of glue dripping. So here we go. With my hot glue, I'm just gonna put a little bit, try to stay organized, and then affix to my twig here. Let it dry, push in a little bit. Next guy, I'm gonna go to the back. And I had fun kind of figuring out where I was gonna put all of these into these little crooks that you see on the twig, these sweet little mini branches that just pop off and make a nice little spot for a cherry blossom. Okay. Great. And this guy's gonna go here. And finally, this big boy. I did something so fun, I think, which is I combined a couple of cherry blossoms into one. So I used this linen and then this quilting cotton behind with my little leaves. I think it turned out really nicely. So just get this guy with a little hit of glue and nestle him right into that branch. Oh, okay, I'm loving this. So I'm going to be using these on a wreath that I'm making, and you will see shortly. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.